welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, I don't know if you guys recognize this place, but we are at
Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby. And so we actually did this for like an intro video. I had my skates on and we were in here skating rap, and we decided to do a vlog in Hobby Lobby. But my dad was looking over at the boxes, but I kind of interrupted him because I was like, we can record. But let's go this way. I want to look at something because me and my best friend are going to Yogi Bear not this weekend, like 2 weeks from now. And we are going to be making slime there because since it's my birthday, I'm probably going to have different opportunities. So, cut! Wait a minute. Speaking of slime, you want to see some slime? If you do have any, I still believe I think we have. I think I might bring it out.
That's the other one. That.
Oh, no, I don't want to bring it out. I got you. That was savage. There, so. This is amazing. Let me try to do it. And this will require lots of shaving cream. My mom didn't ban slime, but she banned, kind of confusing. My mom didn't ban slime, but she banned me making it. So I make it over at my dad's house and I bring it over. But a slime dab. I don't know what kind of dab that was, but I'm looking for Bottle Magic. And we're gonna be making butter stuff. Oh, let's just give a big thanks to my director and camera person, Dad.
Get the stuff off of me. Throw it away. That is an awesome idea.
Lego. Let me catch my breath. Let me count these checks. Flex on my yak. Yeah. Yay. And we're gonna get white because that's what me and my friend talked about. What the heck? This does not make any sense whatsoever. I'm so stressed. What even is this? Oh, it's an airplane. Do you guys like my nails? Comment down below and give this video a big video. Give this give this video a big. Okay, so video is the sounding word. Big is B. I don't even know what it